Hi friends, how are you? First of all, connect Wi-Fi hotspot and this mobile Symphony V150. When you connect Wi-Fi hotspot, then I will share you about this problem. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel. Checking network, Wi-Fi hotspot, do it. And guys, here you can see verify your account, but I don't remember Google account. So I want to remove this FRP bypass Google account. So first of all, you have to go back and click vision settings and go in talkback, enable talkback on. Talkback is on now and swipe L. So now use double tap and goes talkback setting, use two finger, scroll down and disable explore by touch. Disable it and use one finger, help and feedback. Click get started with voice access. Here you can see YouTube video link, play this video. And now you have to click on title. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel. As you can see, YouTube open now and swipe down and click search bar and search Google channel. Click Google channel and then you have to click on three dot. After that, trim and privacy policy. As you can see, Chrome browser is open now and continue it next and no thanks. So guys, you have to search this link frpfile.com and slash bypass. Search it. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So now guys, scroll down and then click on Apex launcher, continue it and allow download this Apex launcher and okay. So now open this application and install this unknown source, enable it and go back, install. Apex launcher is installing. And now guys, open this application. Guys, now you have to click more apps and scroll down to go in setting. Guys, find security. After that, scroll down and device administrator, disable, deactivate this. And after that guys, click on apps. Next guys, click on three dot and show system apps and scroll down, click Google Play service. Google Play service, disable this Play service and then disable. As you can see, this application is disabled. After that, you have to backup reset and factory reset this mobile, erasing everything. As you can see, if you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So now erasing all data. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. This mobile is restored completely, and then click agree, get started, escape, and set as new, checking network. After that, scroll down and next it, just a second. Scroll down, click notch now and escape anyway, and scroll down, set up later. As you can see, this mobile is removed all FRP Google account problem. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. FRP bypass is clear, and this mobile okay guys.